Hello friends, this is Anita Ravish and welcome back to my channel. Today's menu is oats idli. It is very healthy, easy to make and instant breakfast. It needs no fermentation at all. Try this oats idli and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. So let's see how to make this oats idli. For making this oats idli, we have to take 1 cup of rolled oats. I have taken oats that we get in the supermarket. So take 1 cup of oats and then roast them nicely for 2 to 3 minutes. It will turn slightly brown in color and then you can switch off the stove and let it cool. Now in the same pan, add oil. And then add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of jeera, 1 teaspoon urad dal and 1 teaspoon chana dal. I have given all the ingredients in the description box. Please check it. Now I am adding cashew nuts. It is optional but it gives a nice crunchy taste to the idli. So fry that also for 1 minute. I have made lots of recipes with oats. Please check out my channel. People think that oats is a very boring thing, but you can make lot of dishes with oats. You can make oats upma, oats cookie, oats smoothie. I have made lots of weight loss oats recipe and please check this in my channel. And now add some curry leaves and green chilies and roast them for 2 minutes. So add green chilies according to your taste. Add half cup of rava to this. For every 1 cup of oats, you have to add half cup of rava and dry roast this for 2 to 3 minutes until it turns slightly brown in color and then let it cool for some time. In the meantime, we'll take the oats that we roasted before and we will grind it into a nice powder. Add the oats flour to this and mix them very well. Let it cool for some time. You need at least 10 minutes for this mixture to cool. You can store this mixture in an airtight container and whenever you want to make any dish like oats upma or oats idli, you can just take this mixture, add some veggies and make them. Now transfer the mixture into a bowl. Add half cup of curd. Add half cup of grated carrots, some green peas. You can add any vegetable to this but make sure that it is finely chopped and add salt according to your taste. Give them a nice mix. Add half a glass of water to this and add coriander leaves. We should get a batter like consistency. Mix them very well and then let it rest for 10 minutes. In the meantime, I have added water to the idli pot and let it boil for 5 minutes. After 10 minutes, look at the mixture. It has become very thick and it has absorbed all the water. So add half glass of water to this. We should get a batter like consistency. Mix it thoroughly. Now add Eno salt to this. Eno salt is nothing but a combination of baking soda and citric acid. If you do not have Eno salt in your house, you can add some baking soda. Just a pinch of baking soda is enough for this. Now transfer the batter to the idli plates. Grease the plates before adding the batter to it. I have transferred the idlis to the steamer and let it cook for at least 10 minutes. So we'll come and see after 10 minutes how the idlis have turned out. See, they have come out perfectly well. The idlis are looking nice and fluffy and they have cooked inside very well. Now let me transfer this into a plate. Now our delicious healthy oats idli is ready to be served. You can have this idli for breakfast or for dinner also. Combine this idli with some chutney or with sambar or anything of your choice. I have taken some coconut chutney to this and yummy delicious oats idli is ready. Try this idli and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. So until the next video, take care. Bye bye.